Hello! Today we are learning a dessert from my friend in Brazil, my dearest friend, Francisca. Fran, we call her. She taught me this recipe, pineapple dessert for summer. This is very good. You're gonna love this. So let's start. It's just 5 ingredients. Welcome to Tete's Kitchen. Pineapple, cinnamon, shredded coconut. You can use also fresh coconut if you have, but it's very difficult here. Crema. If you don't find this crema, it's just heavy cream. You can do. Just beat up a heavy cream and mix with condensed milk. That's all. Okay? We're gonna start our recipe, and it's very easy. Just put together all these ingredients. All right, let's cut the pineapple. We always cut this way, holding. Clean the edges. In cubes like this. If the pineapple is too sweet, you don't have to put too much sugar. But this one wasn't too sweet, so I put half a cup of sugar. Let's stir a little bit and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes the most. Don't let it cook too much, so it won't be too soft. We want some crunchiness. Now we are adding the condensed milk. Oops, this spoon didn't fit here. Let's get another spoon. Now we're going to get the crema. Try not to put the water that comes from the cream, just the heavy cream. Okay. We are mixing here. That's all. Now we're gonna sprinkle some cinnamon. Some people don't like cinnamon, so you don't have to add if you don't like. But if you like, you just add something like this and then pour the mixture, the mixed that we did with the condensed and the crema on top. Now we are going to sprinkle the shredded coconut with no sugar added. Or if you have a fresh shredded coconut, go ahead, it will be tasting much better. Once you had everything spread on top, let's bring to the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours, and when it's very chill, it will be ready to eat. Enjoy! Hello! My sponsor, Nalani, is the one that's been with me for so long. I want to thank you. And today is the cacao body butter. Treat your skin. Go to nalanibotanics.com. Hello! After 2 hours just chilling on the refrigerator, we have our dessert, guys. Pineapple dessert. So, cream of pineapple with fresh pineapple. Oh, this one. We are going to try now, and it's very, very smooth and good. Oh, look who is here.
Hi.
Hello. This
Hello.
is my future son-in-law,
Hi,
Nicky. He's here visiting, and we are gonna try this dessert first time together. That's gonna be awesome, guys.
Looks very
Ching
appetizing.
ching.
Cheers.
Good. Yeah.
So delicious.
Brazilian.
Yeah, Italian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, if you like my pineapple recipe, dessert, please click here, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. And let's have fun. Life is fun, cooking is love. Bye bye, until next video.